Hi guys, today's we will check that what your twin flame divine masculine wants to say. What is the energy of your divine masculine? We will check that. I called, like I felt to do this. A lot of cards are coming out. Let's see what your divine masculine feminine. I'll shuffle it first properly. Uh, let's see what your divine masculine energy is, what he is feeling. Let's see. We'll check it. Your twin flame. Dear God, universe, angels, please guide me. Thank you so much for always guiding me, supporting me, and helping me. Please guide me for divine masculines. What is twin flame divine masculine is feeling? What's his current energy? I think your divine masculine is very much upset and sad currently. He is thinking about past memories. He's thinking about your past, the time he has spent with you. He's basically he's like contemplating all the things. He wanted to be part of your family. He still want to be part of your family. He thinks you are a family. First, I think I am for some of you that your divine masculine is married. For some of you I am feeling that he is single. No matter what, if he is married or single, he is missing you. He has a lot of guilt and sadness, and he is upset, that he lost you, something like that he is feeling. He is like thinking about you, thinking about your past relationship, how you used to met, how you used to meet, how you used to talk, how you used to go on a dates, how you used to talk, everything. He is missing up each and everything about your relationship basically. And whenever he is quiet, rather before sleeping, he thinks of you. Whether he is sitting alone somewhere and he's thinking of you, whether it is at workplace, whether it is his at his home, he thinks of you. He's also contemplating. Also, I feel that he has some guilt. If you can see this person, this lady is, her hair hand is on forehead, or on, and also on her eyes. So basically, that your person is like, I am feeling is from this card is that, he has somewhat guilt, and he also feel like, I have done a mistake, what have I done. Now currently he is in a hermit mode. He don't like to talk, he don't like to connect with people, he don't like to socialize. He's thinking, yeah, he's introspecting a lot of things. What was his mistake? He has walked away in past from you. Your divine masculine is feeling that. For some of you, he can be a married person. Also he can have pet. I am feeling, if married or not married, he can have pet, I can see. If married, he has a baby also, for some of you. And for some of you, he is completely single. So yes, he also has somewhat addiction. He is attached to, some bad things, bad people. I am feeling like that. He also has blocked his heart towards others. He is very cold hearted person, I feel like that. I can also notice crow and eagle, a bird in this card. I think your person is very intuitive, or started feeling and started dealing with his heart and intuition. Now he started understanding what is intuition, what is healing, and all that stuff. I feel like that. And he wants to be transparent to you. He wants to share things with you. He maybe for some of you, he has come back. Then he has been trying to be transparent and, speaking his heart out. He basically, he is very attached to you. I think he has started feeling that you are his past soulmate or something, past connection, past life connection. He has a lot of love for you, but he don't show it. Definitely he can be a Libra sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces also. For some of you, he can be a married person. Definitely he wants to he wants to get married to you. He wants to offer you some stable offer. Your divine masculine, your twin flame, this is the reading for those who know they are on twin flame journey, who knows they who is the DM, who is the DM, divine masculine in his life or in her life. So Ace of Pentacles card, I think he wants to offer you something stable, something tangible, like he wants you to move in with you, maybe he wants you to buy a house for you, maybe he wants to marry you. So some type of stable offer he wants to offer you. Definitely for some of you he is already married, but he's thinking about you and he wants to get married to you. Let's see. We'll see King. While I was shuffling Queen of Cups card, I saw it, and King of Cups. Basically, you are a counterpart, so it is showing like he is connected to you. He is yours only. No one can, separate you from thinking about each other. Spiritually, no one can separate you. Basically, now let's see. Will he take any action towards you or not? Towards divine feminines. This card wanted to pop out. I think some type of conflicts is going on, definitely, whether it is in his mind or whether it is with people around him. I think whether it is about his family or surrounding his surrounding of with the people, I think with others, some type of conflicts are going on. I can also feel Taurus, Scorpio, Aquarius sign, Libra sign. For some of you I am feeling Aquarius sign, Taurus, Scorpio. Let's see, will he take any action towards you? I think I won't take that. Let's see, if card going to fall, I'll take that. Is your DM twin flame divine masculine is going to take any action for you? Let's see what action will he take. Any action for you, your divine masculine? Yes, I think he was previously he was stuck and confused. Previously he was stuck and he was in hangman position. Currently also he is somewhat confused between his head and heart. But I think he wants to offer you something and he'll take action definitely, because he see you as a wife, husband, soulmate, twin flame, whatever you call it, whatever he understand it. So he also feel like past connection is there, strong connection he feels with you. Definitely he will wants to marry you, wants to offer you something. He'll also, I feel like, communicate his heart, his feelings towards you. He will take action. Definitely he will take action. For some of you within few days, for some of you within few months. Let's see one more card exactly, what action and when. Let's see, one more card will pick it out. What I can see, what else I can see. Oh, two cards has come up. Oh my god, yes. Definitely he's stalking you. He's stalking your social media and he wants to offer you something tangible. Like I've said, Ace of Pentacles card has come up. Like he wants to marry you. Four of Wands card has also come up. He wants to marry you. He wants to buy a house for you. He wants to live in a house with you. Definitely he wants to have a babies with you. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn sign I am feeling, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius sign I am feeling. Definitely he wants to come rushing towards you. Definitely in within few days, maybe for some of you 4 to 8 days he will come and talk to you, and for some of you within few months, depends on your situation. For some of you maybe 1 month to 1 year. Let's see. Yes, he's currently also working hard, concentrating on his career. He wants to give you a stable offer. He wants to give you a lot of gifts and offer you something tangible, stable offer. He can also give you a gift, a big gift, something like that. So he's working hard. He also working hard, not just because he not just on his career and money situation, because he wants to be with you. He wants to buy a home with you. He wants to give you a stable life financially. That is why he's working hard. So yes, he will take action. I also feel for some of you he's planning something to come, how to come, and like how to come and how to approach you, something like that. Justice card, you will get your justice. He wants to give you justice. I think for some of you he was married, then now he wants to give you justice. If he was married or committed to someone, then now he wants to give you justice. He can be a Libra sign also. See, Queen of Cups card has come up. I mean, while I was shuffling, that time King of Cups card has come up, and the Sun also I am feeling. So Leo sign also I am seeing, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Leo, Libra sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn also. Almost every sign is there, but still I am feeling Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces and Libra and Aquarius sign strongly. So yes, he will contact you and he wants to offer you something, he wants to marry you. Now let's see, will you be with your twin flame in this lifetime? We'll check it. Will you be with your twin flame forever, as a couple, as a husband wife? Will you be with your twin flame, divine masculine, in this lifetime? Lot of cards are flipping around, so will not take it. Let's see, will you be with your DM? Will you be with your DM? Sorry, this card has, oh, Temperance. Healing is going on, whether you are healing, whether he is healing. Also, he was very defensive. He is still somewhat confused and defensive. I would like, between head and heart, a lot of people around him messing with him, messing with his head. I feel like that. Let's see, will you be together? Oh my god, will you be together in this lifetime? Oh, Queen of Wands, bottom of the deck, top of the deck, Ten of Swords, Temperance, Judgment. One more card I want to confirm. Only one card, Spirit Guides, please. Only one card. Yes, 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 yes. Definitely I am feeling like that. He will come towards you, he will give you some type of love offer. He is stalking you, he also wants to give you something tangible, big gift, or also wants to marry you. A lot of passionate energy or new start. He wants to start something new with you, new beginnings. If you are in separation, he wants to, be with you, start something new, a new beginning. He wants to apologize also. He has also said and done so many wrong things with you, wrong words and wrong things has been done, mistakes has been done. So now he wants new beginning with you. There are chances of you to get together, because angels are working behind the scenes. Angels are healing your relationship and healing him as well. I am feeling like that. Judgment card has come up. Definitely you will get the justice. Now angels and God and universe will decide. You will be with him. Definitely there are chances of that you can spend your whole life with that person, though he is still what defensive and somewhat egoistic, somewhat confused and blindfolded, like he don't see the truth clearly. The moon also I am feeling in this card, and a lot of people are messing around with his head, but he will come out of this defensiveness and block the heart chakra, because angels are working and angels are healing him. And Ace of Wands card has come up, so new beginning will be coming up for you guys, for DMs and DF, all the twin flames. Queen of Wands, bottom of the deck card has we have received. So yes, definitely there are chances he can offer you something within few days and few weeks, or for some of you few months, and for some of you 1 year, because this is this is lot of this is a general reading, so a lot of people will not resonate with this reading, and a lot of people will resonate. So that is why I am saying, for some of you it can be 1 year, so for some of you few days he will come and talk to you, and for some of you few months he will come and talk and take some action and come to meet you. But definitely there are chances that you guys will be together forever. I can also see Sagittarius and Leo sign. I can see the angels have red wings. Root chakra energy also I am feeling, like Ace of Wands card has also come up, so passionate energy I am feeling from him towards you, that will attract him more towards you. Also he is very currently also he is very attracted to you, physically as well, emotionally, spiritually, but he is somewhat in defensive mode, confused mode, but it will be removed. The sun will come, the sun will shine. Definitely sun, I can see Judgment card has come up. He will come and talk to you, he will give you a commitment. There are chances of you guys spend your life together, or you will be together forever. So definitely for some of you can get married, or some of you can be in a friendship relationship with him. But forever, I see forever, not only spiritually but in physical world as well. because Ace of Wands card has come up, and the sun also I am seeing, and Judgment card. Definitely angels are working behind the scenes, working for you guys, and behind the scenes he is the angels are healing him, healing the divine masculine, healing the divine DM, basically healing the twin flame relationship. So this is what I feel for you, twin flame. I hope you like my reading. If you really liked, please like, share, subscribe. Please remember, this is a general reading. No, it will not resonate with each and every twin flame. So please remember that it's a general reading, and please like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye.